Hey guys, so in today's video I was actually going to do some DIYs for Valentine's Day, but since I'm not having much of a time to do DIYs because this video was not actually like planned ahead, so I couldn't just find DIYs and materials and have the time to edit by Valentine's Day, so it wouldn't make sense to just upload a video afterwards. And so I decided this year to just make a little different video about Valentine's, and it's basically just a Valentine's note. And some of you may be asking, what is a Valentine's note? I don't even know. So I came up with this concept when I was deciding what to do for Valentine's, and I was like, you know what? Valentine's is kind of stupid. For me, Valentine's is stupid, as I said, because nowadays it's just an excuse to spend the day with a loved one, or to just give something to someone, or just to express love. And I think you should do that every single day, not just specifically on Valentine's Day. And so for me, Valentine's Day is more like just another day of the year. I just want to make this Valentine's note as just a video for you guys to just spread the love to the people that you love every single day, and not just on Valentine's Day because it's Valentine's Day. No, you should love everyone every single day because that's love. I don't know, that's love. I really don't know what else to say. This was just a Valentine's note, as I called it, because I just wanted you to spread love every single day. And yeah, I hope you guys are happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!